Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build this Hi-Nu Gundam from Gundam Artifacts. Gundam Artifacts are all mini kits about 5.5 cm tall, and each box contains 5 different models. Gundam Artifacts is a series of gashapon from Bandai's Shokugan. The kits are made in one color molding, and because the parts are so small, it took me quite some time to fix the seam line, and I had to use the magnifier when painting the detail. I was expecting to see a pale orange color kit, but it comes out to be this clear red color. But the base color doesn't really matter, because I'm going to paint it anyway. I painted everything white before I do the sanding because I can barely see any details when it's in clear red. I really suck in hand painting, but the parts are just too tiny for masking and airbrushing. My 0.3 Mattworks airbrush is small enough just for the funnels. All my paint brushes are driving me crazy, and the tips of the brushes are all spreading out. This is a new God hand paintbrush. I hope this will last longer. It took me 5 days to get this done, and it's a lot harder than I expected. I've seen some pro builders online doing custom joints for it, and I really admire the talent and patience, and I guess I can never get to that level. I've used Mattworks super glue and Tamiya white putty to fix the seam lines, but I think my camera battery died when I was recording it, so I couldn't show more. The arms and hands don't really snap in, and I have to glue them together. I've used Tamiya panel line as in color black and my 0.05 fine liner pen for panel line. I don't have any decals for this small kit, so I just put some random ones on it. Hope you liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Use my discount code when you purchase at USA Gundam store. See you next time.